What if nature could communicate with humans? Imagine waking up to the whispers of trees, the advice of rivers, and the stories of mountains. This newfound dialogue could reshape our understanding of the natural world. We might discover that forests have intricate social networks, or that oceans hold secrets of ancient wisdom. Environmental issues could be directly addressed as ecosystems voice their needs, potentially averting ecological disasters. Our ethical perspectives would shift, fostering a deeper respect and responsibility for all living things. This communication could lead to unprecedented collaboration, where humanity and nature work hand in hand, creating a harmonious balance that sustains life on Earth.